Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into GitHub right now. Use the website or desktop app so you can inspect profile details immediately. Once logged in, make sure your account shows a profile picture or username in the top right corner so you can confirm you're in the correct account. If you manage multiple accounts, switch to the one you intend to check. This avoids confusing the username with another profile you might own. You now click your avatar and choose your profile to view the public profile page. This is where GitHub displays your username and real name. Once on the profile, read the header area. The username appears prominently next to or under your display name. If you need the numeric ID instead, open Developer Tools and check Network or API responses. This reveals the internal user ID used by GitHub. You finish by confirming the identifier you need, the public username from the URL or the numeric ID found in an API response. Copy it for use. Once done, make sure to log out of any shared machines and record the value securely. If you can't find it, try refreshing the profile, reloading Developer Tools, or sign in again. If problems persist, verify account ownership and check for browser extensions that might block API calls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.